welcome back to my channel. And as I started, it started raining. Great. Yeah. So I did a lot of offline training. Sorry if you wanted to see it. Why do I have a grass block? Now I need the grass block. Great. Yeah. So I made an aquarium with a lot of puffer fish and a party of fishes right here. Enormous party of fishes. And if I hit the puffer fish, they puff up. And guys, the new version has come. So I'm not going to be doing most of the house, but I'm going to be showing you all the cool stuff that comes in the newest version too. Because I think I did way too much offline training. Yeah. Guys, crimson pressure plate. How does that look? Yeah, this looks so good. I'm not showing you the entire thing right now, but look at this. Like anyone would want to go in here. I love how I built it. You guys, I'm really sorry that I did not do this online. I mean, like, really, this would have been great online. Oh yeah, it's not night. I did time set day. And the brewing stand still has the blaze powder. Let's put the blaze powder in the chest. Maybe we'll need it later. So guys, this room's like the best room already. I'm so happy the update also came. Took a long time. And now that it's finally here, I really want to show you guys. That's why I did a lot of offline training so that I have some time to show you guys all the new stuff that comes with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and slap that bell notifications to never miss out an upload. Apparently I said at the last I'll also show you OP armor, but before that let's build the room which is over here. Guess what it's related to? It starts with a C. That's all the hint. Now you guys take the time, think about it, pause the video. Only if you have the newest update of Minecraft, then only you can do it. Then only you might know about it. So, it is crimson. That's just it. It's crimson. Now watch this. Door. And we get a crimson door. This is in the newest version of Minecraft. We'll also need some red concrete. I'm gonna build this a little faster so I can show you guys all the stuff that comes here. I can't wait to show you guys. Yeah, I'll just see you guys with the power of editing. I don't want you guys to see. I'll just build a little wall. I'll do the interior in front of you guys. You guys might be wanting to see the interior. So, power of editing start. Guys, so I finished everything. Apparently I was talking. Did you know that this hyphae thing, you see this thing, it's actually wood. Stripped crimson hyphae. It's actually a type of wood. Now I don't entirely know the huge update of Minecraft, but yeah, it's there. That's all I know. Now guys, it's a little fun to do this part, so let's do it. I kind of forgot what. Oh yeah, carpet. Red carpet would look really good, guys. So let's place. Sorry about that, guys. Apparently I am a little clumsy right now. Just woke up from sleeping. I'm just kidding, guys. At some point of time, I am going to be doing survival series. Or should I say survival series with add-ons? Or maybe I'll just do regular survival. Who knows? Tomorrow I'll be showing you how to make the rest of the part. I don't think we can make the sniping tower in this much time. Sorry about that. So, are you serious? I just directly fell down into the first floor. So, this will be the enchanting room, of course. It looks so good. We'll need some chests, of course. Chests. Break. Nobody saw that. Guys, I just figured out something so cool while placing these chests. Watch this now. Oops, I did it wrong. Wait. I think it was a default one. Yeah, look at that, guys. That looks so cool. That might be top 10 hacks in Minecraft. I just figured it out somehow. I wasn't even trying to figure it out. Yeah. Now we'll need bookshelves. B-O-O. Oh, not boots. Book. There we go. I kind of forgot that there was carpets placed right here. I think this big's enough. No, this big is not enough. We need to put the bookshelf right here. And another bookshelf right there. Oh, stupid carpet. Destroying my bookshelves. I know I destroyed that carpet. Stupid carpets everywhere. I placed them. So they're not really stupid. They're pretty soft. The new updates are so cool of Minecraft. I just can't stop talking about it. Sorry guys, I'm just so happy I got it. Now we will need an enchanting table. Enchanting table. Okay. Yes. Now I'll just put an armor stand. Oh, I can't just wait to show you guys. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I can also not wait for the OP armor at last. What's the spelling of armor? Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I'll just wait. Oh wait, ARMOUR. How am I so stupid? Armor stand. There we go. Now we will, guys. I've been waiting for this for so long. Netherite armor. Oh, that is so cool. Does he know? Yeah, let's do this, guys. Ah! Oh my god, I can't wait to enchant this stuff. Let's do this. Oh yeah, look at that. Knockback, smite, fire aspect. Woohoo! Yeah, we got fire aspect too. Okay, aqua infinity 1, affinity 1, blast protection. Good. Yeah, so cool. Oh my god, this fire protection 1, thorns 1. Let's get that. What is it? Projectile protection 1, fire protection 1, protection 5. Wow. I can't wait what's in the boots. Blast protection 1, fire protection 1, feather falling 5. These boots are crazy. I'm so happy. Armor stand. Do me a favor. Stand right there. Have to run up there. I need to place that carpet. Thank God. Oh yes. Yes. Equip. But I'm not equipping it. Thorns 1. Put that there. Where did my sword go? Oh yeah, it's in my inventory. Let's just go here. Inventory. Helmet. Boots. Oh, my boots are feather falling. I love feather falling. Guys, this looks horrible. Let's pose it. This is really cool. Did I forget the boots? I forgot the boots. Oops. Boots. What? Equip. There. Yeah, now let's pose this thing. I learned this few days ago only. Does this look good? I think this looks amazing. Maybe we should change it into another one. You know what, guys? Forget about that. I can't wait to show you. I've been waiting for this moment that I don't even care about the rain. Let's put on our beautiful armor. Come on. Don't have much time. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Spawn. I want to show you this. Zombified piglin. Guys, this thing kills anything it sees. Every nether mob basically. Let's spawn in a Ravager. Let's see if it attacks the Ravager. One of my favorites. Sorry guys, I got the wrong spawning. Die! Nobody saw that. Yeah, we'll need to spawn in the Zoglin who actually attacks people. Now the Ravager is angry. Yeah. I've seen this. The Ravager killed that guy, but will he kill him again? Ravager, known to kill. Yeah, so the Zoglins are really new mobs. And they are amazing. Let's spawn in another new mob. Where? What's it spawning? There we go. Piglin. So Piglin is like a Zog. Oops. This is a Piglin. It's like a Zoglin, but different. Are you Ah! Zoglins, piglins, get out of my house. Then do these guys get on fire? I don't want to risk it for the biscuit. I'm just getting into my house. Stop it, you Zoglin. Zoglin! Zoglin in my home. Get out of my home. Hey, not to my fish. Not to my fish. Zoglin, I will kill you. I'll spawn the Ravager on your face and kill you. There we go. So I was waiting for one more mob. Hoglin. What's a Hoglin? Oh yeah, I've seen those. Where is that mob? Wait, just tell me what's that mob that you can consider. Wait, where did that mob go? There it is. Yeah. So let's get this mob. This mob, you can literally ride him on lava. You see this dirty little guy? That's a baby. That's the mother. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys. Oh my god, I kind of forgot the armor. Maybe I'll show it in the next video. Bye guys.